Today we're going to create a cinematic color grade super duper fast in Photoshop. With the background layer selected, press Ctrl or Command J to make a copy. Then go to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters so you can change the values later. Hit OK. Then go to Filter again, Camera Raw Filter. Inside of that, just scroll down to the color grading section, open that, and then take the center circle of the highlights away from the center, and then use the ring on the outside to decide what color you want right there. Let's zoom in a bit onto the image. Let's say you want a bit of warmth. You want more of it, so you can increase the amount like so. All right. And then you can decide whether you want it brighter or darker. I'm going to make it slightly darker and maybe increase the color a bit more. Now let's play with the shadows. Take the center circle away from the center like this, and then use this ring on the outside to decide what you want in the shadows. I want a bit of green, and then I also want it slightly darker like so. Maybe not that much, so let's decrease that. Now let's play with the midtones. What do you want right there? Do you want warm color, blue, whatever you want? Let's set it to this color. You can increase the amount, decrease the amount, and then you can decide whether you want it brighter or darker. So I'm going to make it darker here. Now let's scroll up and play with the light section. Inside of that, you can play an experiment. In this case, I'm going to increase the contrast slightly and then decrease the whites to have more color in the highlights, more natural look. Then you can of course control the highlights and the shadows according to your wish. On top of that, if you want a slight bit of texture, you can go to Effect section and let's increase texture slightly because this image demands it. Hit OK once you're satisfied. And here's the overall before and after. And that's how to do a fantastic color grade super easy, super fast.